You can find so much information about every aspect of technical analysis, but the trick is to be able to apply that knowledge on the chart. In this video, I'm gonna show you how to apply the most necessary things to the chart so you guys can trade without getting confused. Hello everyone and welcome again into my place where with each new video I try to bring you one step closer to successful trading and to keep you profitable. My name is Ivailo and this is Elite Trading Zone. 4 steps. You need exactly 4 steps to follow to be able to do technical analysis from absolutely naked chart to hitting your take profit. Without further ado, let's jump right in. British pound US dollar 1 hour time frame. One of the most liquid forex pairs. Now, the first thing we need to look at is our trend. The first step is to determine the trend. The easiest way to do it is to just look at the monitor. When a chart starts at the top left of the screen and ends at the bottom of the screens, as in this case, this is a bearish trend. If the price goes from the lower left corner to the upper right, this is a bullish trend. If the price starts from the left and makes absolutely no upward or downward movement, this is a range and you shouldn't trade. You will just lose your money. Now, as I said earlier, we are in a bearish trend creating consistently lower lows and lower highs. The number one rule in day trading, in forex trading, in crypto trading, in stocks trading, trend is your friend. This means that we should only look for a short positions. After we have already successfully defined our trend, it's time for the second step, namely marking key levels. Under key levels, understand trend lines, support and resistance zones, liquidity, order blocks, and etc. Let's start with the resistance zones because during a bearish trend, we want to sell high and buy low. Sell at every strong resistance and take profit at every strong support. Marking these two strong resistance right here. I also noticed that here we have an imbalance between these two candles. Mark this area. We have imbalance when the tails of the first and the third candles do not even touch. I have a special video on this topic in the upper right corner. As we have already marked our key levels, it's time to plan our trade. In bearish trend like this, we want to sell high and buy low. This means selling from this resistance zone and from this. Okay, having completed the first 3 steps, we need a price action. The price go up, fill this imbalance, but does not touch these 2 resistance zones. We are waiting for the price in our 2 sales areas. Price will always give you a good entry. Overtrading will blow your account. The price makes a double bottom. When we are in a bearish trend, you have to look at every double bottom as liquidity, because that's where the stops of stupid bulls are located. Just mark this zone exactly like me, with dollars. The price has made an unsuccessful try to cross this bearish trend line, because after crossing the trend line, bears have pushed the price down hard. If we look at the left, we have a double bottom in a bearish trend. When this bearish momentum with these 3 huge bearish candles. Down below we have liquidation of bulls. Here comes the moment for 4th step and say the phrase, plan your trade and trade your plan. Entering into short position, putting our stop loss at the previous swing high and risk to reward ratio 1 to 2. As you can see, our take profit is exactly at liquidation price from stupid bulls. That's a good sign. A little later, our trade hit take profit. First we determined our trend, then we marked the key levels. We planned where our entry should be from and finally just traded the movement. These are the 4 steps from start to finish to be profitable while trading forex. We keep going ahead. The price has already passed the last lower high, meaning the trend reversal is already a fact. Consistently making higher highs and higher lows. Trend is your friend. Bullish trend, long positions, marking our key levels. Take a look at this resistance level. The price has crossed above this resistance level, then retested, and this resistance level turns into support. After retesting, the new high follows. This area was a resistance, then becomes support. So test it multiple times. We look for the price to come back and retest this zone one more time. This here should be our entry. After a while, the market retests this zone one more time and start to go up. This may be a new high low. In bullish trend, we want to buy low and sell high. So we enter a long position, putting our stop below this multiple tested area, a risk to reward ratio 1 to 2. 150 pips profit. That's exactly what we are looking for. If you follow consistently these 4 steps, I promise you will be profitable in your trades. Nothing complicated, nothing difficult, it just requires discipline. Plan your trade and trade your plan. If you guys like the way I teach and talks, consider subscribing the channel by clicking this icon right here. If you wanna learn the smart money concept, right, RSI trading strategy that's gonna make you rich, just click. Till the next time.